In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling appointments effortlessly, while HubSpot is a powerful platform for managing your customer relationships and marketing efforts. Integrating these two platforms can help streamline your processes and enhance your productivity. To get started with the integration, the first thing you want to do is open Calendly. So go ahead and launch your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Just follow the straightforward prompts to get set up. It won't take long at all. Once you're in your Calendly dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll find a menu there. Now, keep an eye out for an option labeled Integrations or Apps. Go ahead and click on this. It's like opening a treasure chest of powerful tools that can enhance your scheduling experience. After you've clicked on the Integrations menu, you'll see a search bar where you can input names of the applications you're looking for. Type in HubSpot. Yes, that's right. Searching for it should bring up the HubSpot integration option pretty quickly. Click on it, and Calendly will redirect you to HubSpot. Now, if this is your first time using HubSpot, don't worry. This next step is about creating your account. HubSpot is user-friendly, and they make the setup process easy. Just follow the prompts to enter your basic details, such as your name, email, and company information. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once you've taken care of that, HubSpot will guide you through any necessary configurations to connect with Calendly. You might need to grant Calendly permission to access your HubSpot account, so just follow those instructions. Be sure to read the permissions carefully. This is important for getting everything to work smoothly together. After successfully completing this step, you'll be redirected back to Calendly. Here's where the magic happens. You should see your connection listed in the Calendly integration apps. This means that your Calendly account is now officially integrated with HubSpot. How cool is that? Now, to ensure everything is working as it should, it's a good idea to run a quick test. You can create a sample event in Calendly and see if it syncs with your HubSpot account. This will give you peace of mind that everything is set up properly and that customer information is flowing between the two platforms as expected. But wait, there's more! After you've confirmed that the integration is working, you might want to explore the features that this integration enables. For instance, you can streamline your scheduling workflow by automatically logging meetings and appointments in HubSpot. This not only saves you time, but also keeps your client information organized, allowing you to focus more on building those relationships. Additionally, reviewing analytics can give you insights into how clients interact with your scheduling link, empowering you to improve your scheduling process continually. And remember, the more you dive into the features available through both Calendly and HubSpot, the more effectively you can manage your time and grow your business. Integrating Calendly with HubSpot doesn't have to be complicated, and it can make a world of difference in how you manage your appointments and customer relationships. So if you haven't yet, I truly encourage you to try this integration out. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Happy scheduling!